Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video with me, Benidorm Crazy Marcus. So on today's video we're going to take a slow walk down towards Benidorm Harbor and the very beautiful Malpass Beach. Come and join us. So where we are at the moment is sort of in Outside Park. As you can see, the temperature reader's still not been fixed. So as you can see guys, tons of very nice sort of bars and restaurants on my way down towards Malpass Beach. Of course the main one being Hotel Colon, used on the Spanish version of Benidorm. That's where we broke the lift. That's where they had the wedding for the Spanish version of Benidorm. And this is the wall that only me and Mike were allowed to sit on the day when everyone were kicking off, because they weren't allowed to sit on said wall. Funny. Anyway, that were back when we were doing the extra work. Nice sort of bit of wall up there. Nitrous, dog common. And of course, the bar that we've used this service restaurants. Lot of people having drinks in there. We went in to get a drink and we got told no. Got BO player there, like a school type area on the beach, very nice. Whew. I am sweating cobs, guys. I am sweating cobs. If I had a bottle of water, I'd be tipping it over my head, but sad thing is, gimbal ain't waterproof, nor is my microphone. Got the scuba diving school there, very cool. And of course the public toilets. So I've only done about 3 minutes, so I may as well go round to the harbour. My advice for dealing with this heat, guys, is just keep yourself hydrated. Don't be afraid to wear sun cream. Don't be afraid to sit in the shade. Just be very careful, because it is really hot and well. Yeah, the risk of heat stroke is quite high in this heat. I mean, I've had it before, Scooter Sue's had it before, and well, anyone else who's had it before can guarantee you it is not the nicest thing to have. Malpass Beach there, just in the cove, and you do of course have El Castello and the Mirador del Mediterranean. And of course these vending machines down here by the harbour, yeah, very expensive. I mean, let's see how much a can of Coke is. €2 for a can of Coke. guys. Wow. There are supermarkets about. I mean, you're not really far away from town. So you could walk up into town, maybe nip one of the ice cream shops, the Euro shop or something. Or maybe go Mercadona in the Spanish food hall and get a cold drink. Coming round to the harbour, you got all the advertisements for the trip, parasailing, all of the Benidorm boat trips, stuff like that. And of course all the beautiful boats. I always wanted a boat, to be honest. Did learn how to drive them back when I was doing Navy cadet, so I mean, I could get one. I ain't got the money for one, but I mean, imagine the videos then, guys? Little day trip out to Ibiza on our own boat. If we can get over to Ibiza on a boat, that is. I know there's a ferry that goes over there, but on about boats, you've got the Isle of the Benidorm boat trip just coming back into port. That's a great trip, and we haven't done it yet. If you do want to see what it looks like, simply watch Benidorm. Think it's series 2 when the Garveys go over there and Mel wants to buy Peacock Island. Of course, I've done it all up down here as well. Since last time we were down here, made it more of a road type thing. And there is the boat, Bahia de Benidorm. Anyway, I think I'll probably end the video here now. So smash that like, guys, smash the subscribe, and I'll see you soon.